Hey everyone, and welcome back. This week's recipe review is a cheesy beef stromboli from Recipes Insight. It's made with seasoned ground beef and a combination of two different cheeses, all wrapped up in a pizza crust and baked until golden brown and flaky. So stay with me and we'll get started. Okay, so this stromboli turned out beautifully and was really easy to put together, especially with the store-bought pizza crust. I baked it for 16 minutes and it had a nice deep brown color. One tip for the egg wash is to make sure to apply it evenly to the crust, or the brownness may look patchy after baking. One other thing I noticed when adding the shredded cheeses to the beef mixture is it made the Italian seasoning really bloom and it smelled incredible. Now on to the taste test. I wanted to try the stromboli by itself first without any marinara sauce. You can see how wonderful that melted cheese looked, and it tasted even better than it looked. It was delicious. It tasted like a cheeseburger wrapped up in a pizza crust, and I loved it. To me, the key ingredient was the Italian seasoning. It enhanced the overall flavor profile and added savory depth to the filling along with the garlic powder. The crust had a slight sweetness, which when paired with the cheesy beef filling was a perfect combination. Next, I was ready to try it with the marinara sauce. I used the Classico brand traditional pizza sauce, which is our favorite store-bought version for pizzas. That really kicked it up a notch. Overall, this stromboli is as good, if not better than, any stromboli you get from a good pizza place. It was fantastic. The only thing I would do different next time is to thin the egg wash with a little water or just use olive oil instead. I noticed a strong smell from it that was a little distracting. But as written, it was still a 100-star recipe and is an absolute winner. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch my other reviews in my Italian recipes playlist.